So if you're doing any type of pruning, whether it's on the ground or overhead, like maybe some branches, this tool is definitely worth checking out. In this review, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over all the details with the pruner itself, our extension here, and all the items that it comes with. Then I'm going to go in my backyard, and I've got a lot of trimming to do, and I'm just going to show you how it works. So it does come with quite a few things here. So we've got a storage bag to go ahead and just put everything in. We've also got a strap if you want to go ahead and put it on your extension rod. We've got some safety glasses, a little container to put any oil in there for the blades. We've also got some tools if you want to go ahead and adjust and sharpen the blade, and we've also got a sharpening stone. It does come with some cotton gloves, and then of course we've got our pruner itself and the extension you can use with it. So one thing to note about the pruning shears, it does not come with a battery. You do have to provide your own, and it does use a 20-volt max DeWalt battery. So once you do slide the battery in here, we do have a button here to turn it on. You're going to hear a little beep right there, and to activate it, you're going to press this down just a few times. And you can see the blade, you can actually adjust that anywhere from 1 inch to 1.6 inches. We've got some LED indicators here at the bottom, and that's what those are for. Each time you press it, the light is actually going to change from 1 all the way up to 4. And that'll allow you to adjust the opening right here. Also, it has a little screen right here that's going to let you know the battery life. And we've got a counter here for the number of times that you've actually operated it. And we also have an extension. You can adjust this anywhere from right around 4 feet to about 7.5 feet. So you're just going to pop open these little pins right here. Now as you pull them out, there is a spring in there and it's kind of pulling it back down. So you just pull it on out, clip that in there, and then you can hold on it, pull it on out. Now as you can see, I'm going to back up a little bit here. So you can reach pretty high. It's probably at least 12 to 15 feet in height. So I can definitely go ahead and get those high reaching branches. So to install this, you're just going to slide it in here, just like there. It's also got a little safety button right here. When you press that, that button slides up. So that way this doesn't, you're not have to worry about this falling off. Now you can adjust this anywhere 180 degrees. You'll just make sure you turn it on after you've put the battery in here in the bottom. Press the trigger just a couple times. And now we're ready to go. You can see how easy it is to go ahead and trim all these. I don't have to get on a ladder. Some of these branches are actually pretty big. I'm just trimming a few one at a time so you can just see how easy it is. Works fantastic. Now if you had things to trim that were just within arm's reach, no problem. Look at that. Now if that was too wide for you, adjust it so it's a little bit closer. It's just easy with one touch. I do appreciate the brand sending this to me so I can show you everything that this offers. Hope you found this review helpful.